This could be the car for you. 2024 Mazda CX-5. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This sporty CX-5 delivers upscale style, comfort, and versatility. From its premium interior to its excellent ride quality to its SUV capability, this compact crossover was designed to exceed expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Be excited about the journey in this comfortable and capable CX-5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.